counting and representing data.
Mummy, what are you doing?
Bubbly, I'm checking that which vegetables are left and how many are left.
Mummy, I will also help you.
Okay, Bubbly, come on. First of all, we group the vegetables and then we count them and then we write their numbers.
Okay, Mummy.
Friends, I am your friend Bhola. We saw that Bubbly is helping her mummy in the kitchen. So come on, today we will see how Bubbly learns counting and representing data while helping her mother.
Mummy, can I help you in grouping the vegetables?
Yes, Bubbly. See, number of cabbages is 1 over here. So we write 1 in front of cabbage. In the same way, we have to count the remaining vegetables and write the number against it.
Yes, Mummy, I understood. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 green chilies. So we write 5 against green chili.
Carrots are 1, 2, 3 and 4 over here. So we write 4 against carrot.
Tomatoes are 1, 2 and 3 over here. So we write 3 against tomato.
Okay, Bubbly. Now tell me, which vegetable is most in number?
There are 5 chilies. So it is most.
You are right, Bubbly. Now tell me, which vegetable is least in number with us?
There is 1 cabbage. So it is least in number.
Well done, Bubbly. Thank you. Come on, now go and play. We can see that Bubbly is filling colors in the picture with different shapes. While coloring, she is thinking that can she count those different shapes and write their numbers separately. Just as she counted the vegetables and had written their numbers separately. Hey, Bubbly, what are you doing?
Look, Mummy, I am coloring this picture.
Oh, wow! This picture is looking very beautiful. Bubbly, can you tell me which shapes are present in this picture?
This shape is a circle and this one.
This is a rectangle. This is triangle and this is a square. Come on, now tell me the names of these shapes.
This shape is a circle. This is rectangle. This one is triangle and this shape is square.
Well done. Now tell me how many triangles are there in this picture?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 triangles.
Well done. Now tell me how many squares are there?
1, 2, 3.
Oh no, Bubbly. There is only one square here.
Mummy, this is also a square, right?
No, Bubbly. This is a rectangle. This shape is same as your pencil box.
Okay, this is a rectangle.
Yes, and the shape of the square is the same as your carom board.
Okay, so there is only one square in this picture.
Very good. Now tell me, How many rectangles are there?
Rectangles are 1, 2, only 2.
Absolutely perfect.
Look, Mummy, there is 1, 2 and 3 circles in this picture.
Well done. Now tell me all the shapes that you had counted.
I counted triangles, squares, rectangles and circles.
Now tell me, which shape is most in number?
There are 6 triangles over here. So this means triangles are most. There is only 1 square. So square shape is least in number.
Perfect, Bubbly. Children, today we saw how Bubbly counted the shapes and found the number of each shape.
She also learnt which shape is most in number and which is least in number.
In the next video, we will see some interesting examples of counting objects and representing them in numbers. Counting and representing data with the help of interesting examples. Children, today we will see some interesting examples of counting objects and representing them in numbers. Come on, let's see
What Bubbly's mother brought for her from bazaar.
Bubbly, look, I brought a box of stickers from bazaar. There are different colors of stickers in this. You have to group the different colors of stickers and count them.
Okay, Mummy. Do I need to count the stickers the same way you taught me counting vegetables and shapes?
Yes, exactly. Come on, you count these stickers and meanwhile I will cook some food.
Okay, Mummy. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 green stickers. So we have to write 5 against green stickers. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 red stickers. So we have to write 7 against red stickers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 blue stickers. So we have to write 5 against blue stickers. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 yellow stickers. So we have to write 8 against yellow stickers.
Oh wow, Bubbly! You have very well represented the different colors of stickers.
Thank you, Mummy.
Come on, now tell me
Which color stickers are most in number?
Yellow stickers are most in number, which is 8.
Come on, take these. I have some more red stickers. Count these along with the stickers you already have with you.
Mummy, I had 7 red stickers. You have given 3 more red stickers. Adding 3 stickers with 7 stickers, we get 8, 9 and 10. Now I have 10 red stickers.
Very good, Bubbly. Come on, now tell me
Which color stickers is most in number with you?
Oh, red color stickers are more than yellow stickers. Yellow stickers are 8 and red stickers are 10. So I have more number of red stickers.
Now tell me which color stickers are the same in number.
The number of green stickers and blue stickers is 5. So green and blue color stickers are the same in number.
Well done. Come on, now count your favorite candies and tell me the number of each candy. Friends, Bubbly grouped all the candies by looking at their color. Now she is counting the number of candies in each group. Oh wow, Bubbly. Come on, now tell me what all colors of candies do we have?
We have red, blue and green colored candies.
Come on, now tell me the number of candies of each color.
There are 25 red color, 19 blue and 21 green color candies.
Absolutely right. Very good. Friends, today we learned how to group and count stickers and candies and how to represent their numbers.